Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look into visceral fat. Visceral fat is the fat around our vital organs like our liver and our kidney. The duty of this fat is to protect our organs from trauma or damage. However, one should not have more than 9% of the total weight coming from visceral fat, irrespective of the gender. If your visceral fat values are more than 9, it is an indication that there is more fat around your organs than allowed, which puts a pressure on the organs and doesn't allow the organs to function optimally. When we are looking at muscle mass, boys should have a minimum of 33%, 32.9 to be precise, to come from muscle mass, and it can go up to as high as 60%. However, the reference value for women or girls is around 25.9 or 26% as a minimum muscle mass, and it can again go up to as high as 60.